printers give people enough problems without their software issues on top of that. So in this video, here's how to fix a Print Spooler error in your Windows computer. Now what you can do first is to run the printer troubleshooter by bringing up Settings, click System, choose Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooter, and then run the printer troubleshooter to scan the system and try to detect any issues. Then once issues have been found, apply the recommended fixes if available. Additionally, restart Print Spooler service by opening Services. Locate the Print Spooler service from the list of services. Right-click on it, then select Restart, and wait for your process to be completed. Now still in the Print Spooler services window, make sure that the startup type is set to Automatic. And for your last resort, check the Windows Defender firewall. To do it, open Settings, open Privacy and Security, click Windows Security, open the Firewall and Network Protection tab, click on your current active network, toggle the switch on your Microsoft Defender firewall to turn it off, and with the firewall disabled, create a new print job and see if it completes successfully. Once you're done printing, enable the Windows Defender firewall protection again. So that's how you can fix the following printer error in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.